If you've been daydreaming about a pool, you just call Aqua Blue Pools and we'll take you through the process to get you connected with one of our talented pool design professionals.
First thing you want to think about when you're buying a pool is this for your family? Do you want to be able to exercise? Is it just for relaxation?
We have the space. The lot really suited a very large pool, and as you can see, we probably put in the largest size we could.
After I meet with a client, I go back, which is my favorite part in doing the design. We use AutoCAD. It's very precise, so from there you can do the actual build of the pool.
The craftsmen that worked on the pool, and when I say craftsmen, I mean every step from the blowing of the cement to the laying of the stone, they were skilled craftsmen.
The reputation of Aqua Blue Pools has been built based off of not only our customer service, but the craftsmanship of the products that we build.
My favorite part about designing pools for clients is seeing them, when it's all done, having fun with their family and friends.
To be honest, we were 100% satisfied with the pool company. I mean, we had zero problems. It came out beyond our expectations. I mean, truly beyond our expectations.